Here's a 2016 Toyota Highlander. Life is so much easier when you have an SUV that can keep up with easy access, comfort, and tranquility when you need it most. The cushion height was adjusted to make getting in and out even easier, with even more headroom than ever. Everything has a place in the Highlander, including an in-dash shelf for those pesky power and USB cables. Load up as much cargo as you can handle with the third row folded flat, and then turn the world off for a while thanks to noise-dampening insulation and acoustic-type glass in the windshield. Siri Eyes-Free keeps you in touch while keeping you focused on the road. And thanks to Toyota's Star safety system, every second of your commute is being monitored to help you avoid accidents. Like a good soldier, this Highlander is at attention and ready for its next mission. Take it for a test drive today.
Fred Haas Toyota World has been a hallmark of our community for more than 40 years. We're easy to find on I-45 North at Louetta, just 2 miles north of 1960.